Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Sam. I hope you're well. And today I have a bit of exciting mail to open for you. I was sent a message on Instagram by a nice lady called Cara, and she asked if she could send me some nail stickers, which I haven't heard of before. And the first thing I asked her was, are these products vegan? She confirmed that they are vegan and cruelty-free, and so I said, yes please, I would love to try out these nails. And they came last week, so it's been almost a week since I've had this, and I haven't opened it yet because I thought I'd do so on camera. So yeah, let's get into it. So it comes like this, super cute. And I've got a nice little message. It says, Samantha, enjoy the nail strips. Excited to see your nail fees. Have an amazing day. Love, Cara. Nail fees, what a great word. And then we've got some sparkly pink nail stickers. 100% real nail polish strips. 16 long-lasting double-ended strips. Easy peel and apply. You've got application instructions on the back. This is the shade Coral Bay, and it's a coincidence because she's very pink today. So let's attempt to put these on. Okay, so I just tried these on and it was a bit tricky. I don't know whether that's just me being stupid, but after I got the hang of it, I think I managed pretty well. I think my nails look amazing. I reckon they look professionally done, and I like that I've got a whole other strip and then some left over. So although I know these won't last me because I'm very busy tomorrow and they will probably fall off, I've got another set that I can wear out when I go out with Blossom this week, and I'm really pleased. The brand was Colour Street. I don't know if I mentioned that before, and I'll leave Cara's Instagram below. Do have a look. She has some other beautiful designs. She's got some mermaid type ones, I think, some blacks. And honestly, like, if these were sold in Superdrug, it would change my life. So much easier and quicker than painting your nails. Thank you so much, Cara, for sending me these. Morning, just a quick little update for you. It is the day after, and I did do a lot yesterday. I did the dishes, I took a frame apart and put a picture in it, and my nails have stayed together really well. There's some chipping on the top of a couple, but that's to be expected with nail polish anyway. But I'm really impressed with how they've stayed on. So yeah, for a first try, I'm very impressed. Please go check out Cara, she's amazing, she's lovely, and her nails are great. So yeah, I would give these a solid 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for how they look, and 8 out of 10 for application. I did struggle with the thumbnails, but all in all, if an idiot like me can apply these nails, anyone can. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a fabulous day. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you'd like, and I will see you next time. Bye.